Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from iMumz.
Now that you have entered your second trimester, your honeymoon period, when you can eat really well. Some of you would have lost some weight in the first trimester. This is the time to gain weight and be healthy and happy. I, Dr. Neeta Chaudhary, will take you on the journey what to eat in the second trimester. So, hi mommies, what food to eat during your second trimester of pregnancy? Second trimester Indian recipes is what I will be talking about. This is the time when your baby has started growing rapidly. Your weight also needs to increase. So your priority during pregnancy should be to choose a variety of nutritious foods from the following that I'm going to tell you. 1. Cereals and whole grains. I recommend that you should consume about 7 to 8 servings of cereals per day. Cereals basically provide you with necessary energy which is required in increased amounts during this phase of pregnancy. It also provides fiber which will keep your constipation at bay. Try to avoid white flour, maida, and what all you should eat is wheat, barley, bajra and ragi in your diet. Ragi is a very good source of calcium. Second, pulses and legumes. I recommend you to take 1 to 2 servings of pulses per day, and it is a very good source of protein for vegetarians. So you should use it in a combination with your cereals to increase the protein quality. And what all you can have is masoor dal, tuar dal. Pulses in the form of sprouts are also very good for health at this time of pregnancy. You can even have salads and different varieties of combinations of salads and all that you can make out of these sprouted varieties. 3. Milk and milk products. I personally love milk, so I do recommend lots and lots of milk products. What is important? You must take 3 to 4 servings of dairy products. In this you can take milk, curd, paneer, because milk has lots of calcium and it is very important for the development of your baby, more so the bones. 4. Vegetables. I recommend you to have 5 to 6 servings of vegetables per day. What is important? Rainbow colored vegetables should be included in your diet. So choose all types of vegetables. Green leafy vegetables, then you can have the green variety. Spinach, methi, cabbage, lettuce. Then green vegetables like capsicum, broccoli, peas. Then the orange ones like carrots and pumpkins. Red ones like tomatoes and red capsicum. Yellow vegetables like corn and yellow capsicum. Purple is also important. Brinjal and purple cabbage. 5. Fruits. Fruits form a very important part of a diet. It should be there always, but it is more important in pregnancy. You must have 5 to 6 servings of fruits every day. You can include fruits in your diet. Why? Because they have lots of nutrients and antioxidants too. So, like vegetables, this is also compulsory, and have colorful fruits. So you can take apple, pear, oranges, guavas, watermelon, grapes, everything that is seasonal and grown locally. Then another important thing in the second trimester is omega-3 fats. And how you can get them? From dry fruits. Nuts such as walnuts, almonds, cashews, pistachios. Peanuts are also a very good source of protein because they are very economical. So this is a time when you feel more hungry. So having healthy snacks is very, very important. So what are the snacks that you can have? Jawar methi roti is so simple to make. Then moong dal dosa can also be made. It tastes good and it is very healthy also. Then orange and mint juice, because you feel thirsty also, so you want to sip something really nice. Poha cutlet is also an option, and mooli muthias can be made very easily. So foods in the second trimester should be rich in energy and protein. You can make a simple recipe like a quickie paneer sabzi. The energy and protein requirement should be made up to reach the desired weight in this trimester. Some women tend to lose weight in the first trimester, so they need to catch up and gain weight. So focus on energy recipes like fruit and sprout bhel, strawberry milkshake, stuffed bajra roti, kulthi salad is also very good. Then some things are actually loaded with lots of calcium, so you can try those, and along with that broccoli, carrot, paneer sabzi is very good. Sprouts pulao is also something that you can make and improve your health. In the end, remember one thing, iodine is also a very important nutrient for your baby's growth. So have a good quality brand of iodized salt during this time of your pregnancy. So remember, enjoy a range of foods so that you are healthy and your baby is healthier. Thank you and happy eating. So once again, thank you and namaste.